Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix limit background app refresh in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general. After clicking on general, scroll down and here you can see the option background app refresh. Then simply click on background app refresh and then here you can turn off or turn on background apps, and then simply click on background app refresh. Here you can turn off your background app refresh, and if you want to use Wi-Fi to refresh your background app, then simply click on Wi-Fi. And if you want to turn off your background apps refresh, then simply click on off. And if you want to use Wi-Fi and mobile data, both of these data, to use background app refresh, then simply click on Wi-Fi and mobile data. So this is the way to fix limit background app refresh in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.